As a Whai Māia future director, you'd gain genuine governance exposure to a environment that deals with a company with a budget of tens of millions of dollars, that does interesting work across the tribal, social and cultural development spectrum. You gain an understanding of the functions of corporate Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei, and also access to experienced professional governors and professional governance training. Successful candidates would have experience alongside professional governors, but also direct mentoring by the other members of the Whai Māia board. They'd be exposed to opportunities to network in a governance environment and gain a greater understanding of the opportunities in governance within Ngāti Whātua and outside. Good governance is essential to Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei, alongside good corporate leadership and a strong kaimahi workforce delivering on our programs. Good governance is essential to make sure that we are setting a good strategy and achieving that strategy. We can't expect our own experienced governors to pop out of nowhere, and so we need to grow our own. And there's an increasing range of governance opportunities and a need to fill those governance spaces from within Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei, hence the interest in having a future directors program. We don't expect future directors to come with much or anything in the way of existing governance experience, but we do expect them to bring genuine interest to the position and a real willingness to commit to the program, to commit to learn from the program, and importantly to participate and contribute in board settings. Everyone at that table, including the future directors, brings their own skills, their own experience, their own knowledge, and future directors will have a contribution to make. So what we're really looking for is people who are wanting to come and participate, not just observe, not to be frightened of the environment, but to throw themselves into it.